It is common for caregivers to be prompted to complete any outstanding questions and waivers. If they have received an email, the caregiver can simply tap on the Complete Questions and Waivers button. If they are logged in, they will land on the Questions and Waivers tab for the specific program. Alternatively, if they log into Moment and land on the My Organizations page, in the top right they will see a notification that asks them to complete the questions and waivers. By tapping that notification again, they will land on the Questions and Waivers tab. Once on the Questions and Waivers tab, complete any outstanding questions and waivers, and then tap the orange Submit button. In this case, one of the questions requires a form to be downloaded, completed, and then re-uploaded to Moment. Download the form by tapping the link. Complete the form using online tools such as HelloSign or DocuSign, or by printing out the document, filling it out, and taking the photos of the completed form. To re-upload the form to the program, you can go back to the email and tap the Complete Questions and Waivers button, as described earlier in the video. This will take you to the appropriate Questions and Waivers tab. Alternatively, you can go to moment.com and tap Login. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon and tap Family. Under the Students tab, tap the appropriate student to go to their student detail screen. Then select the appropriate program and go to the Questions and Waivers tab. On the question, tap to upload the file, choose the form, and wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, be sure to tap the orange Submit button. That's it.